back to another Dummy Tech Talks. Today is a awesome day. This is an unboxing of a new set of headphones. I gave him some money to get them on Amazon because I don't have an Amazon account. I use eBay, which eBay takes forever. So Amazon's next day. Why not? And I needed these really quick. So I gave him the money. I said, just surprise me. They could be pink. I don't know what's going to happen.
He doesn't know what he's getting. It's great.
No, I don't. I do not.
Tell us what happened there with your old ones.
Well, these, the cords, there's 3 cords. You know, it's a very cheap set. 3 cords here. We got your microphone, your headphones, the actual headphones, and then a USB for this. Whoa!
But he's living in the future.
Yes. So really unnecessary these are. Kind of annoying actually. You can see them in your screen, and it's really annoying. So they gotta go. By the way, I gotta say, these things costed me, you guys, $13. Okay.
How long did they last?
I don't know what has it been, 3 months?
There you go. You get what you pay for.
And it's very uncomfortable because they're very, they hurt. Okay, look how close. Look, they're touching each other, and that's a lot of tension right there. Feel that tension.
Yeah, that would start hurting after a while.
And these are made out of like the mats you used to sleep on in kindergarten. I got my trusty knife here. And we're gonna open this baby up, and we're gonna see what's in it. Cool. Yeah, be careful there.
Well, they're yours. Whatever.
Also, I'm opening this wrong. You're supposed to cut away from you. The people that don't know. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Oh, man.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
So I've been spoiled by mine. I've got some Corsair RGB Elite Pro something or another wireless.
Dang.
They are awesome. So
that's freaking awesome. Look at that, guys.
I was looking for something
wireless.
Like
Look at this.
And that was a big deal because
there's no more of this.
One of the I think the headphone cable in his was actually starting to go out. So
yep, where you plug it in at, actually right there, and because it sits like this all the time on the top of my computer, so just finally wore out. So I'm gonna open these babies up here. I want to see what they look like here. Dang, I got a case.
I know, I saw that too.
Whoa!
That's actually great for you because he moves around a lot with his computer. So
I'm a pro at that.
Yeah. Don't leave your dongle in the computer. You might break it off.
Nice. Oh my gosh! Look at these things. Oh man. Oh man. That's so nice. And look, you remember what I was telling you guys about the tension? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, there's no tension.
It has the simulated 7.1 surround sound, which mine have, and it's awesome.
And I love this microphone. I mean, look at this.
Yep.
Compared to
and when you push it up like this, it mutes on its own like mine does.
Oh man, that's amazing. So, look at this
little rinky-dink thing.
You ready? And it doesn't move. And it sounds like crap.
You got the job done for a while.
It did. It was a starter.
So these are not Bluetooth. I want to point that out. This is a 2.4 gigahertz signal that is connected directly to these from a dongle that he'll put into a USB port on his computer.
Okay, so I'm going to try these on. I'm going to pull these out a little bit here because my head's kind of big and I got a hat on.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know if they're sound canceling or not.
What?
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, there they are.
Oh man, dude, try that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yes.
That is actually pretty good. And they're slightly sound canceling. They're not top of the line, but then again, we weren't going for top of the line. We were going for within a budget, decent.
We wanted to see what we could get for a budget wise. Like, obviously, I went super budgety and super cheap. Didn't really know, so I got those things.
Volume button mic.
Also comes with instructions. I already know what headphones do and what they can do. If they don't, then I got instructions. So let's see what else it comes with here.
Little zipper pouch there.
Zipper.
There's a lot of stuff.
This is actually a really nice case that it comes in. I mean, the inside where you put the headphones themselves.
Make sure you close these all the way whenever you put it away, though, because
right.
those won't fit.
But even where the headphone sits, I mean, it's nice. It's made of foam. So we have the dongle. Bam. Oh man, that's so amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Mine has it. I've got, like I said, the Corsair, and it's flawless.
Charging for charging.
Heck yeah, it plugs in. I saw it right here underneath the.
It's got a charging cord.
The right ear. Mine is on the left. Yeah, underneath your right ear, next to your 7.1 surround and stereo surround buttons.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
On the other ear. Power's over here.
Well, I am very happy with this, man. He helped me out.
If you guys want to see the price, check the link in the description. I'm not going to say it here or anything like that. It fluctuates. You know how Amazon is. It could be on sale right now and then maybe not next time. I think they were, actually. So it really worked out.
I'm excited to use these things. This is awesome, man.
Heck yeah,
Good work, dude.
I'm happy for you. All right, how'd you like that video, guys? Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Wait for me!
All right, thanks for watching that video, guys. The unboxing of these headphones for Trever. What are they even? I don't even remember what I got.
The HUD?
HUD. HUHD. Yeah, whatever. HWK5.
The HUDs.
Anyway, I did a lot of search around on Amazon for
The
best
hoods.
thing that I could for what I had, but I will put a link in the description. Comfort-wise, they're great. You know, you can carry them around.
Just so you know,
and everything.
they work with Xbox One, Switch, PS4, Type-C phone, and PC.
Well, you'd have to have an adapter for the Type-C.
Ah, okay, so that's what that is.
But anything Type A, good to go.
Well, they're continuous working time, 10 hours. Charging time's 5 hours. And you got send and receive distance, 10 meters.
It's about 40 feet.
Wow! Holy smokes. That means I can use the restroom if I have to.
Go get a snack while you're between games or something.
Yeah, man.